Kerryon Johnson, running back out of Auburn.
So not Darius Geis. He continues to plummet down the draft boards. But I do get the next best halfback on my list, number 6 overall. Kerryon, my wayward son, Johnson.
There you go.
Out of Auburn. You know that one was coming there. Doesn't fumble. The big concern for me with Johnson, the numbers are there. He's a good athlete. Medical. I have medical red flags for Kerryon Johnson. He has been hurt every year at Auburn, but he's got elite patience. The patience that has led to comps, by the way, for Lev Bell. He's not that good, I don't think, but he's got great vision and timing. Not the greatest athlete necessarily. He is a good one, but he's not a Ronald Jones type burner. He is a workhorse who can also catch the ball, a multiple-time SEC honor roll recipient. He is an intelligent young man. In terms of comp, he could be a Jay Ajayi guy. He is one of only 8 backs with 300 touches last year, so there is some wear and tear as well. He plays through that pain, though. I think Jay Ajayi could be a nice comp for Kerryon Johnson there. It's an okay pick. You give him a 4th-round pick. I would prefer Darius Geis, but value-wise, number 47 overall on my board, my number 6 halfback. There was a very clear run on RBs.
Yep.
And by the way, Cam, someone do me a favor behind the scenes, be it all of our system production here. Go back to our NFL players who could be traded. I told you guys months ago, Amir Abdullah could be dealt. Now that Kerryon Johnson is on the roster, I would not be surprised if on day 3, Amir Abdullah gets dealt for a 4th or 5th-round pick. Just keep an eye out for it.
All right, Abdullah there, Theo Riddick, and now Kerryon Johnson headed to the Detroit Lions.